Ladies and gentlemen, we're back at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay for Howl-O-Scream 2021. Check this out, guys. As soon as you walk into the park, you're not safe. We got scare actors all over the place as soon as you walk into the park. So here is a quick look at the official map for this year. We have 3 new haunted houses: The Forgotten, Witch of the Woods, and Cell Block Zombies, followed with Deathwater Bayou and The Residents. We have some new scare zones: Skeleton Crew, Voodoo, and In the Shadows, followed by Little Nightmares, Shortcut, Deadly Toys, and Junkyard. No shortage of scare zones at all this year, but yeah, they have stuff scattered all throughout. We're gonna hit up the Junkyard first because that is my most anticipated scare zones, and then we're gonna hit up some brand new haunted houses. I'm excited.
Hey, how's it going, baby? Whack.
Check out these guys. What in the world?
Once I'm done with you, you'll be begging for mercy.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at these guys, they are menacing. Oh Lord. It's a mighty big knife you got there. Oh my gosh. All right, we're heading into our first scare zone, the Junkyard. There's so much going on here. Yeah, it's Motel Hell. This is like its own little mini haunted house. So many props. These are from Deathwater Bayou. I remember, I worked in that house. Oh, this was from Meat Market, I think. He's blowing me. There's so much going on here. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, this is from Insomnia. I worked that house too. There's so much stuff going on in here. I love it. Yeah, that's... Oh, okay. End of the road. Oh, this is an old photo op. I remember that. Oh, look, Deadfall. That was a good haunted house.
What are you looking at?
That's a cool zone. I like it. All right, first haunted house of the night, Deathwater Bayou Blood Moon. So this is like, what, the 9th or 10th year that we've had Deathwater Bayou? Whoa, holy crap.
I saw you step on it. I was like,
I almost ate it. Oh my God.
On camera.
That would have been so bad. Good content, but But yeah, this is like the 9th or 10th year of Deathwater Bayou. So supposedly they've changed it up this year from previous years. So I'm excited to head on into it. Other than that though, there's no wait at all. We're basically walking right into the haunted house. And here's our close-up look at Iron Gwazi coming next year, hopefully, pending any more possible delays. All right, heading on into Deathwater Bayou. It's Mama! Oh, Jesus. Oh, they changed up this room. Oh my gosh. Yo, what? Oh. I thought the room was pitch black. I didn't see the dividers. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, there they are. I was waiting on the bungees. Oh my God, Jesus Christ! I can't even see, that's just not fair! I can't see, man, that's not fair.
fair game, man.
They completely changed the exit too. Wow. That wasn't fair. I couldn't see. All right, that haunted house is dark as hell, but I love the changes that they made, genuinely. Like, when I heard that Death Water Bayou was coming back for yet another year, I was kind of upset because I feel like they need to do something different with that whole house in general, but that house felt fresh and new. Like, there was enough changes in the house that I was genuinely impressed with the house, and it was kind of scary. Didn't help that I couldn't see, but it was cool. All right, our next scare zone is called Voodoo. They got like a Wicker Man looking thing here. What in the world is this? Our next haunted house of the night is going to be Cell Block Zombies. And I know it's kind of hard to see because the entire park is dark as hell, but there's like no wait at all. We're probably gonna wait not even a couple minutes. Take a look at how they pulse people into the houses. Like, that is 2 people going through the house by themselves pretty much. All right, heading on in to Cell Block Zombies. I love how they reused all this from Insomnia. Yeah, the exact same layout as Insomnia. No, they're going a different way. Wait a minute. So wait. Okay. They send people a different way. That's cool.
And you will be cracking rocks in the yard for the next 13 years.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
You understand me? Yes,
Yeah, we are. Oh dear Lord. This is actually giving me some anxiety now. I have no idea. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the hell? Oh, we're outside. Oh, Jesus Christ! I think my camera was unfocused for the majority of the house. All right, I don't know how much of that house you exactly got to see, but that was really interesting. I mean, I've heard people say that Cell Block Zombies is the weakest house of the event, and some people were saying that it was actually pretty bad. I didn't think it was that bad. It was very anxiety inducing because there were so many different ways that you could go. But I did hear people say that there was a lack of scare actors, like it felt like there weren't enough scare actors in that house, and that I agree with. There were a lot of boo holes and a lot of possible ways that you could get scared from, and it was just really anxiety inducing. But it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. I'd like to go through the house again later tonight because I don't know if we were in the middle of a cast change or not, which could always be the case. Overall, it's not bad. Just take a look at how empty this is. I don't think I mentioned it earlier, but we are here on a Sunday. So historically on Sundays for Howl-O-Scream in Tampa, it's empty. No crowds. Most of the houses are all walk-ons. All right, our next scare zone is the Shortcut. Very odd place for it because it's not really a shortcut. In years past, it's been in an area that was technically considered a shortcut. Nice. I feel like I'm at a lightning game. All right, our next scare zone is Deadly Toys. This one's acting like a cat. I like that. Next haunted house is the Residence. The haunted house is located right next to the Sand Serpent ride. And look at that, no wait at all to get in.
All
right, just got done with the residents. If anything, I think that was the weaker house this year. It's not terrible. Like there were a couple of, you know, decent scares in there, but definitely not as good as Subblock Zombies in my opinion. And returning from years past, we can barely see, but you can do bumper cars with zombies. Not that you can really see where the zombies even are. It's so foggy in there. Yeah, you can't see a gosh darn thing, but I promise you, there are zombies in there. Can we just talk about how this particular scare actor has Fruity Pebbles on their face? They got Fruity Pebbles on their face. What in the world? I love these particular scares. These scare actors hide behind corners and walls or whatever, and they make use of what they got.
The vlogger, are we? Come here, I got something for you. I got it's a secret. Are you ready?
Yeah. Our next haunted house, brand new for this year, The Forgotten. I love how Busch Gardens didn't even bother getting rid of the Q building for Tidal Wave. I mean, it's a good use of space on the busier nights for Howl-O-Scream, for the haunted houses, but look, like the loading platform is still there with all the rows and the air gates and everything. You got the control booth right there. It is exactly the same. It's weird. That looks good. I like the tiny little peephole. Oh, I just noticed that mirror effect. That's cool as hell. Okay, so The Forgotten was a vampire house. It was very interesting. I actually really liked it. It was definitely, you know, everyone's been saying it online. It is a BDSM house. Definitely has that vibe, and I enjoyed it. It was really nice. As with almost everything here, it could go for a couple more scare actors just here and there, but other than that, it is a brilliantly designed house. I really like the aesthetic, and I hope to see it come back in years past.
Years future?
Years future. I'm tired. Check out the moon tonight, guys. It is almost a full moon. That is cool. Our last and possibly final scare zone, In the Shadows. They got people hiding in the bushes. They're everywhere. Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, guys, our last and final haunted house of the night, Witch of the Woods. And as you guys can see, there is zero wait at all. This is the entrance, and we just go right on in. The screams, oh, run. Don't go. Be careful.
Gotcha. Hi, Toto. Hey.
I like how this is like a trail. Nice little haunted trail. At least it's lit.
I know, right? Walking through? Ah! No, it wasn't.
Now we're actually going inside a house. Okay. Skin. Lots of skin.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait, we're walking through the skin. That's gross. Alright, so we chainsaw. Alright, so we just got done with Witch of the Woods. That was my most anticipated haunted house, and I was really impressed. It is a really long haunted house. A lot of scare actors in there too. I was really impressed. A lot of good scares in there. Smelled really bad in that haunted house. Like, again, I used to work Howl-O-Scream, and Sundays are always really bad for BO, so the house smelled like really bad BO. I don't know.
Pumped in, or if that was like, I joked when I said, well, it's Sunday.
Yeah, we don't know if it was part of the house or if it's just because all the scare actors have been working all week and it's laundry day, but it smells really bad in that house. But overall, it was still a really fun haunted house with solid scares, and I highly recommend it. Really long, it starts outside, goes inside. It utilizes the same show building as what Motel Hell used. So Motel Hell is gone, and they have that entire space and a lot of the exterior space. So really long, really impressive house. Really solid. And with Witch of the Woods done, we have completed all the haunted houses at the event with pretty much no wait at all. We walked into pretty much all the haunted houses. It's 10 o'clock. Now we're gonna head on over to Gwazi Field and get a spot for Fiends, and then that'll be it for us. We would have done everything the event has to offer this year. And we have another up close and personal look at Iron Gwazi. It is a beauty of a roller coaster. We are literally the first ones here.
Delighted to be back in the only place on earth more sinful than hell itself, Nevada. This has always been my favorite place to vacation. The music, the gambling, the smell of fresh vomit in the morning. And after a year of being cooped up in the castle, I am primed and ready for the vacation of a lifetime with my salacious sidekick, Igor! Igor! You're late!
Sorry, Doc. I missed my flight and had to rush here in the Dockmobile.
Wait, I didn't know you could drive.
Well, I got my driver's license.
Damn it! Igor, you took the Dockmobile? You dented my car!
Oh, yeah. My bad. I guess you could say I gave it the old Stanley Cup special. But don't worry, Doc. I'll get her all fixed up. I'm not gonna let anything ruin your reunion with your friends.
Oh, finally. A friends reunion that doesn't require a subscription to HBO Max.
I always prefer to peek.
Igor, we don't have the time. We have bags to unpack, hotels to check in,
And ladies to check out. Hey, Doc, show me the ladies!
Oh, yes! My ladies, vaxxed, waxed, and so full of class. It's my iconic naughty nurses!
Doc, I'm not saying I don't love what's on the menu, but shouldn't there be a little something for everybody?
Yes, as my papa used to say, different strokes for different folks.
I like a good stroke.
If my bodacious babes don't tickle your fancy, then perhaps my devilish dudes will tone your triceps. It's my male nurses! Oh, a round of applause!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Live from the gambling capital of the world,
brought to you by the stock I bought at GameStop with Dogecoin.
it's the Dr. and Igor's Vegas Spectacular!
Brought to you by Gorilla Glue.
Oh, we have a gruesome roster of foolish guests for your entertainment tonight.
Now arriving, JetBlue Scarelines at Gate 69.
And not a moment too soon, fresh off of his stint as Patient Zero, this is the bat that puts the suck in success. It's Vlad! Oh, no, that's not my phone. That wouldn't be my ringtone, absolutely. Do not answer that!
We have been trying to reach you about your vehicle's extended warranty.
Give me that, Igor. You just don't understand.
Yeah, I didn't understand most things. I thought The Crown was a show about dentistry.
Igor, that reminds me, we're missing someone. Where is my queen? My beauty?
Now arriving, Virgin Scareways.
Ladies and gentlemen, my original creation. Please give a cold-blooded welcome to the First Lady of Transylvania.
Hey, DJ, play that music!
Cause here comes the bride.
Underneath the city lights, there is a life you know about. It's a little bit like she's a whole lot of damn switch.
Could you stop with the pole escapades, little Nas X?
That is ginormous Nas X to you.
No, I found it on Etsy. see, that tracks. Oh, Igor, I am so full of pride. This is the only context in which you would want to watch your children marry each other. I ship it. I too ship it. In fact, the only ship that I do not ship is a conservatorship. Hashtag Free Britney.
All of this has finally inspired me to take the plunge.
Oh, no, Igor, not now.
Doc, Tor Frankenstein, will you marry me?
No. Huh? Igor, we need enough material for next year's show.
That's fair.
Besides, 69% of Vegas weddings are annulled within 24 hours.
Well, then it seems like we've got 20 hours left. Let's rage!
Just got done with Fiends. That was a really solid show this year, and they decided to go to Las Vegas, which was some place that I never thought that they would visit, but it was still a very solid show. I really enjoyed it. Overall, like every single year, the Fiends show follows the same formula with how they bring out the different monsters and everything, but they find ways to change up the storyline of the show every year. But this is as close as we are ever going to get to Bill and Ted anymore to at a haunt event. So I'm very happy to have it, and I'm happy that Busch Gardens improves on it every single year. And yeah, it's just a really good show. If you're coming down to Busch Gardens Howl-O-Scream, make some time for Fiends, especially if you are a Bill and Ted fan. You will love it. Oh my god, that is so good.
It's Albert.
I thought you were throwing that for real. What the hell?
I do a little magic on the side.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that is going to do it from us here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for Howl-O-Scream 2021. This was a fantastic event, and we are for sure going to be back multiple times this season. This event is only 15 minutes away from where I live here in Tampa, so yeah, we are definitely going to be coming back. Even though this year was a really solid event, I do have to say the biggest downside of the event is a lack of scare actors in some of the scare zones. It was really noticeable where we walked through a couple of zones, and there were maybe 4 actors or 5 actors tops in a few of the zones, while others had many. So just bear that in mind when you do come down here. That is the only negative really that I have of the event. The brand new haunted houses were absolutely incredible. I loved Witch of the Woods, and the Forgotten was really cool too, just to name my top 2. One thing that I also do want to point out is that we did come on a Sunday. If you guys are wanting to come to Howl-O-Scream and experience it with the least amount of people possible and the lowest crowds and the lowest waits, we walked into every single haunted house. We didn't have to wait for anything tonight. Come on a Sunday or come on a Thursday. I used to work here. I know these things. Thursdays or Sundays are the days to come if you are wanting to save money and not have to buy a front of the line fear pass. Fridays and Saturdays, they're going to be the busiest. We came here, we didn't have to wait for anything. So just bear that in mind if you are wanting to make the trip down here to Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for Howl-O-Scream 2021. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on everything that you saw today down in the comment section below. If you are new around here and you want to see more content like this in the future, then please be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this in the future. Huge shout out once again to our Patreon supporters. Without you guys, this kind of content would not be possible. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.